Welcome to Solo and Smart, the YouTube channel for adults at risk of growing older alone. My name is Carol Marrock at carolmarrock.com. And today I want to talk about the Christmas gifts that older adults want. And recently I was involved in a project where we surveyed close to 10,000 seniors, and we asked them what types of gifts that they would like during the holidays that would most impact their life during the pandemic. So I am going to start at number 10. We actually came up with about 20, I think, but I'm going to share the top 10 and then add the link below where you can take a look at all the gifts. So the top 10 was auto services, and 76% liked that one. The next was number 9, gift cards. 77% like that. Number 8, cheese and crackers. So close to 77% like that as well. Then number 7 was snack boxes, and 78% liked that idea. Number 6, meal services or meal delivery services, 78% like that. Number 5, everyday items like postal stamps, toothpaste, shampoos, things that are kind of consumable. So 79% like that idea. Number 4, my favorite, cash, and 79%, which I was surprised that was number 4, but 79% like that idea. Number 3, fruit baskets, and 83% like that. Number 2, chocolate or any other favorite indulgence, and 87% like that. And then the number 1, which I also like, is a house cleaning service, which 88% preferred that one. Well, thank you for joining me, and I hope you like that list. Please share it with your friends, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will see you later.